I am demonstrating this heater that I got on Amazon. I really like it. It's operated with the remote control, and turn it on. It's done low. It also has low and high speed. It oscillates really nice. It heats up really good. It's a small heater, but it has a blower, so it blows out the heat and it warms up the room pretty good. But you can also put the temperature down. If it's unlocked, it locks. So we unlock it, unlock it. Now it's on high speed, so it's on either low or high. And also what I like about it is if once it reaches this temperature in the room, it automatically will turn off and turn back on once the temperature drops. And when you get ready to turn it off, you hit the off button, which is here, and you'll see it'll count down. So it slowly turns off. It doesn't just shut off automatically. And it'll count down. And if it's oscillating, it'll automatically stop doing that as it shuts down. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and off. Just like that.